As the pictures of Hurricane Katrina's aftermath dominate the airwaves alongside the perpetual drone of other world conflicts in the background, it is enough to make anyone veer off what is still discernible of their spiritual path or to at least question its relevance. These are understandably trying times for many of us. Even if we haven't been directly affected by recent hardships, aren't we all searching for the proverbial magic wand that would make everything better all at once? As difficult as it may be to find ourselves in this uncomfortable space and energy, there are still ways to live out the highest and best versions of ourselves even against a backdrop that appears to be spiraling in the opposite direction. Here are some ways to propel yourself forward even during these times. Re-evaluate your values. The very real suffering that many of our brothers and sisters in the Gulf region are experiencing have made many of us stop and think. As spiritual beings having a human experience, we are all in a continual process of evolution and healing. This is as good time as any to take stock of what is presently on your life plate, and determine if you like what you see. Are your long-held beliefs still in tune with what is really important to you at this point in your life? Is the grudge you've been nursing for as long as you can remember the best use of your energy? Are you comfortable with your patterns of consuming and giving? Your treatment of Mother Earth? Has the world somehow become a better place because you have been here? Let what you are seeing from without and coupled with the insights you are receiving from within instigate a higher response in the arenas of your life you can control. Let peace, healing, begin with you. Some would say that the world's challenges and conflicts are just too big and overwhelming, leaving many to shrug their shoulders in defeat, stating, "I'm just one person." What if you decided to get your house in order, figuratively speaking, perhaps by the aforementioned recommendation of re-evaluating your values, and made adjustments accordingly? What if you continued to make these efforts to the point of creating a life more to your liking and congruent with your cherished values? What if another person, inspired by your example, did the same, and then another and still another followed suit? The combined efforts of many one persons can create a healing momentum that is self-sustaining. It really only takes one person to instigate broad shifts in thinking and perception that can be beneficial to society as a whole. Be a blessing. I read a story once about a grandfather who counseled his young grandson as an ambulance whizzed by them that every time he saw one he should pray because people often forgot or were otherwise unable to during stressful times. We can also heed such sage counsel at this time by focusing our healing intentions towards the evacuees of Hurricane Katrina. We can silently pray for our leaders, encouraging them towards enlightened action and decision-making. These options are always available to us whether or not we know the recipient of our efforts or even agree with their views or life choices. Volunteering our time and gifts is similarly an equally valuable way to expend our energies. You are here on the earth at this juncture for a reason. Even when we fall or lose hope, our connection to spirit continually sets us aright again and again. Things may appear murky for some time, even downright distasteful, but by availing ourselves of the unique gifts to be found in weathering these times, we can serve as a healing light for others wherever our paths take us. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe for more videos.